Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add the recovery phone number on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have your websites where you can check out all of your websites. We have the setup and home. We also have the settings and the design side in the bottom left corner. And the dashboard where we are at the very moment as of now. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add recovery phone number on Wix. So adding a recovery phone number to your Wix account is a great way to ensure you can recover your account if you ever have trouble signing in. Here's how you can do it. You can log into your Wix account and go to account settings, which are in the top right corner. As you can see, click on account settings. Then click on your profile icon at the top right corner as you to, of course, go and do it. Then scroll down to login information. As you can see, we have it here. In the login information, click add phone number, which is here. It's a white button that becomes blue next to recovery phrase number. Enter your mobile phone number and click OK. Then you need to confirm your number by entering the confirmation code sent to your mobile phone and then just click confirm after that. This will add your recovery phone number to your account, making it easier to recover your account if you forget your password or lose access to your email. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this. So guys, that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys!